Hello students, welcome back to our video lecture series on the subject traffic engineering. I am Muhammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, assistant professor. This is the video lecture number 11 on the chapter traffic studies. Previously we have discussed about volume studies. In that you have seen the various technical terms, that is AADT, average annual daily traffic, and average daily traffic, and in that you have also seen the types of vehicle and how to find out and what are the methods to conduct volume studies. In this session we will try to cover the one of the important point, that is passenger car unit. So passenger car unit, actually students, you know different types of vehicles and their different classification, and you have seen the classification as per Indian Road Congress. And because of different types of vehicle, it have different static characteristics and dynamic characteristics. The static characteristics that include length, width, height of a vehicle, and load carrying capacity of vehicle, and their axle load. And dynamic characteristics include acceleration, speed, velocity, and braking characteristics. So these are the traffic characteristics, and these are different for different types of vehicles. So it is necessary to know to convert those different vehicles into a single unit one. Again, apart from these characteristics, the behavior of different for different types of vehicles means, if you take the example driver, if you are driving a bike, your behavior is different. If the same person is driving a car, at that time their behavior is also different. And if the same person is driving a truck, their behavior is different. So apart from this, the driver behavior of different vehicle classes is also found to vary considerably. So students, as you are seeing that for a particular highway, there is a mixed flow traffic characteristics are present. Means you are seeing that the same road is used uh, by a bike, and the same route is used by a auto driver. The same route is used by a truck and buses and different types of vehicle. So such type of traffic is called as mixed traffic flow characteristics, and which is our most complex to find out their design speed, and for to conduct the spot speed study, and also to conduct the volume studies. And when you compare with homogeneous traffic, homogeneous means flowing of limited types of vehicles like buses and cars only. So such type of traffic is called as a homogeneous traffic. So in mixed flow traffic characteristics, it is very difficult to estimate the traffic volume and to find out the capacity of roadway under mixed traffic flow, unless it requires different number of vehicles to convert to a single common standard vehicle unit. That means mixed flow traffic characteristics में क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स मीन्स टाइप ऑफ व्हीकल्स अलग अलग होते हैं, इसलिए ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए और वो रोडवे की कैपेसिटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप लोगों को वो सारे ट्रैफिक और सारे व्हीकल्स को एक कॉमन व्हीकल यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. और वो जो कॉमन स्टैंडर्ड व्हीकल यूनिट है उसको बोलते हैं अपन पैसेंजर कार यूनिट। ओके, जैसा एग्जांपल ले लो आप, एग्जांपल एक कंसीडर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लोड है, सपोज एक 10 किलोमीटर है, एक 5 किलोमीटर है, एक 20 किलोमीटर है, सबको एक क्या कर रहे हैं अपन, एक वन इक्विवेलेंट लोड में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, और दैट इक्विवेलेंट लोड is here nothing but passenger car unit. So therefore it is a common practice to consider passenger car as the standard vehicle unit to convert other vehicle classes, and this unit is called as passenger car unit. So इसमें क्या किया जाता है, स्टैंडर्ड व्हीकल एक कंसिडर किया गया है और वो क्या करता है, दैट विल कन्वर्ट अदर व्हीकल क्लासेस into a single one, and that is called as passenger car unit, and which is helpful to find out the capacity of roadway under mixed traffic flow and to easily compute the volume of that traffic and etc., and which will be helpful for design purpose of an highway. So, students, can anyone tell me about what do you mean by passenger car unit? कोई बोल सकता है? Okay, have we noted that passenger car unit? Okay, let us move towards passenger car unit values depends upon several factors. What are those factors? Vehicle characteristics. Vehicle characteristics means it include dimensions of a vehicle, their braking efficiency, accelerator, etc. That comes under the vehicle characteristics. And you know that the transverse and longitudinal gaps or clearance between the moving vehicles is depend upon on the speed of the vehicle and the type of the vehicle and their dimensions. So accordingly, uh, if you know the PCU, passenger car unit, you can easily give the transverse or longitudinal gaps or clearance between the other moving or adjoining vehicles very easily. So speed distribution of the mixed traffic stream and volume to capacity ratio. As you know that in traffic stream characteristics of an vehicle, it the speed of vehicles are different for different vehicles, especially in mixed traffic stream. So that is also affects on the passenger car unit, and it also used to find out the volume to capacity ratio. Roadway characteristics, it also depends upon several factors like roadway characteristics. In roadway characteristics, it includes like if you are providing the gradient on a car, gradients, and if you are providing different types of curves, especially intersection, different types of intersection, and their geometric design is mainly governed in roadway characteristics. And regulation and control of traffic means what type of regulation you may need it. Sometimes you are seeing that this is the one way traffic, this is the two way traffic. So in one way traffic you need some regulations and control of traffic. What type of control means what type of signal sets you are using to control the traffic. That also, this is also one of the factors which affect on the PCU. And this is the environmental and climatic conditions. What is the environmental and climatic conditions for that particular district and for particular that location of an highway, that also uh, affects on the passenger car unit values. So students, can anyone tell me about what are the factors which are affecting on the passenger car unit? कैन एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट दैट वन? कोई बोल सकता है? Okay, so let us move towards passenger car equivalency factors. Equivalency factors means, as per Indian Road Congress, as you are seeing in this table, serial number 1 that will shows vehicle class, motorcycle, scooter and pedal cycle. For that you can take equivalency factor, means PCU equivalency factor you can take 0.5. Means the one of the road or highway in which the motorcycle, scooter and pedal cycle is moving, you can consider all those types of vehicles into a single one, and their factor you can take it 0.5. In the same way, for passenger car, tempo, auto rickshaw, agricultural tractor, pickup van, for these types of vehicle you can take equivalency factor 1, and for cycle rickshaw you can take the equivalency factor 1.5. ट्रक होगा, बस हो गया, एग्रीकल्चर ट्रैक्टर, ट्रेलर हो गया, इसके लिए आप लोग इक्विवेलेंसी फैक्टर ले सकते हैं 3। और उसी तरह हॉर्स ड्रॉन व्हीकल है, उसका इक्विवेलेंसी फैक्टर ले सकते हैं आप 4। और स्मॉल ब्लॉक कार्ड एंड हैंड कार्ड है, उसके लिए आप लोग इक्विवेलेंसी फैक्टर ले सकते हैं 6। और लार्ज ब्लॉक कार्ड है, उसके लिए आप लोग इक्विवेलेंसी फैक्टर ले सकते हैं 8। So by multiplying this equivalency factor, you can convert these types of vehicle into a one, and definitely that will be useful for to find out the characteristics of mixed flow traffic, especially to find out the capacity of that highway or roadway. And this is given as per Indian Road Congress 86. So hope students you understanding all those points in a very well. So can anyone give me a different equivalency factor for different vehicle classes? Okay. So this is the some expected questions at the end of this session. What are those? What is PCU? Means what is passenger car unit, and what are the factors affecting passenger car unit? And next question, write passenger car equivalency factor for different vehicles as per Indian Road Congress. So hope students you have learned this concept about passenger car unit in a very well manner, so it is sufficient for that one. Thank you.